Hi, my name is Dennis Boyle, and I'll be talking about the APERS assessment tool and more about my observation and an interview with a classroom teacher. Um, I did learn more about the classroom structure, management, and collaboration, and those are the 3 points I'll be really hitting on in this part of the assessment. When it came to social competence, I felt that the students should have more time to collaborate throughout the day, especially with work, like student work or projects. Students did collaborate during social skills and during the morning check-in, but not so much during their academic time. This school does not have a peer buddy system, which I think the students can greatly benefit from as they can learn excellent communication and social skills. In the area of personal independence and competence, the classroom needed a lot of support and improvement. Besides a visual schedule on the whiteboard, students did not have any other way to track their daily schedule, their progress on assignments. I feel like a daily planner would be a great starting point for this classroom to try out, and they can expand from there. When it comes to self-management, the instructional aides go over points at the end of the period. Students collaborate with staff and discuss how they did during that period, and they can self-reflect. And it's a time for the students to be honest with the staff. Staff keeps their point sheets at the tables in the back, and I feel it would be beneficial for the students to maintain their own point sheet at their individual desks, just to have that as like a visual reminder of what are they working towards each period. In the area of functional behavior, the team collaborates at the end of each day to discuss triggers, antecedents, and the approach they took to determine if there was another approach that might have worked better. I feel that they are doing an excellent job in this area. Parents are offered an IEP to discuss a plan as an IEP team, but if the parent declines, the school site team develops a plan to help minimize behaviors for next time. In the area of family involvement, the teacher interacts with parents daily. Parents receive a copy of the student's daily point sheets. In addition, there are daily phone calls and parent square messages sent out. Each student and parent requires different form of communication. I feel like the system does work well, and the parents seem to be very happy to get that continuous communication. In addition, the school does offer a parent center where parents get more information that pertains to this special education and additional outside resources and supports. In the final area of teaming, the teacher has shared that each student has multiple IEPs throughout the year. Concerns are discussed at the IEP at the team. Sorry, concerns are discussed as a team during reviewing goals and student data. Key members of the team, such as the speech and language pathologist or the ERMS therapist, are in communication weekly to discuss progress towards goals. The school does not provide much training for paraprofessionals and should invest time in training staff and about different disabilities and strategies to use to help the students. Thank you.